In the down under, the land once called Australia, you'll find the world's most dangerous bird, the emu. I know they look harmless, but they're deadly. It was in the year 1932 when the Great Emu War was started, and you see the emu in its natural habitat. The emu, a master shooter. The Australians are running away. The Great Emu is too much. No, can't outthink this, you know. The Emus quickly took over the country and turned it into a pretty nice place actually, cause emus are good with money.
Thanks for watching.